Hey guys, it's been a while. Yeah, as you can see, we're in a different environment than the other game engine I was using. I was having some issues with the editor being very slow, and it also just kept creating bugs. So I decided to move over to Unity because it seems like it's a little more stable. So I've been working on porting over all of my work, trying to get it caught up to the JavaScript edition of the game, and I think I think it's going pretty well actually. So I'll just unmute the audio and hopefully it doesn't like fucking blow out the blow out my audio here. But yeah, I've been working on this for about like 1 to 2 months now. Uh, Doing pretty good, getting a lot of progress done. I guess we'll just jump into it. I have some stuff to talk about after I show off my progress. Stuff to do about the JavaScript edition, moving your saves over, special rewards, and like just the future of the game, and also what I'm working on next. But yeah, we'll get to that after this. So I've imported all the sounds in. I really hope it's not loud. Okay, it's not. Okay. Yeah, I haven't made the settings menu or anything yet, but I'll get to that eventually. Honestly, I'm not worried about that until I'm closer to release. I feel like the editor... Oh yeah, I still haven't added in the bullet sound effects yet. Mostly because I feel like that's going to be a pain in the ass. But I'll probably do that today, now that I'm thinking about it. But yeah, the editor, since I'm like running 50 million things in the background, is kind of laggy when things are spawned. But I don't think that should be a problem for everyone else, unless you have like 50 million Google Chrome tabs open. I would like a spawning effect, but I just haven't done anything. I also haven't added in the background track for the upgrade menu. I don't remember if I have one. I probably do. Anyway, yeah, a lot of things are probably going to change. I don't know. This is just like a really rough upgrade menu to start off with, because I mean, like, don't really have anything else. Also, that's really fucking annoying. I'll just mute that. And also that fucking error, because Unity and their animation graph shit just fucking sucks ass. I have to restart the editor every time that fucking shit comes up, but, you know, whatever. Yeah, I mostly got all the effects, as you can see. Dang, I need some actual health, because I was showing off shit. Okay, there. Yeah, I've had tons of fucking bugs with that detector in particular, because it just doesn't like to work sometimes, and it's really annoying. But I think I fixed all of them, so I don't have to like worry about that. Also, when the health gets low and it like speeds up, that's not really working at the moment. But I'm not really worried about that. I'll fix that eventually. Yeah, it's weird only hearing like one sound, because I haven't added in any of the weapon sound effects or anything like that. But like, as of now, I think the game is pretty easy, but I'm not going to do any like balance changes or anything like that until more of the game's done, at least until like the first boss. So I do like the spawner. I am out of ammo. I was not paying attention at all. And I also made it to where you could just pick up the crates, just even if you aren't under the threshold, because I thought that was really dumb. So, yeah, that's working now. Okay. Technically, it's possible for the shield to spawn, but I have not been able to spawn the shield, so I'm not sure if that's a bug or if it's just really hard to spawn. So, I guess we'll find out. Which, I mean, the shield's not really implemented yet anyway, like the feature itself. So, I mean, I guess that's fine. And also, the money, if you die, it will save to your total. I also added this cool little effect when you shoot, it like slowly fades out instead of just like despawning, which I like. I think I'm gonna add like a fading out effect to the actual sound effect itself, so it doesn't just end abruptly. Which, I'll get to, like I said, probably right after this video I'll work on. But, yeah, I've been saying that I was going to, have an update video out for weeks, and I, just haven't really got around to it. I haven't got the effect when you run low on ammo or, health yet, like the sound effect and the graphic, which I'll get to. Yeah, and right now I don't have the other level, so I just have it to where it'll go back here, but I'll kill myself real quick. Sounds very violent. Oh, you do that from here. Yeah, this this is kind of a fucking mess, but I mean, it works. I also like that I timed it correctly to where after the certain fucking point in the sound effect it will respawn you, and then there's the save file right there. I don't know, I'm super proud of it right now. Also, if you mute it, I haven't set up the key binding or anything like that yet, but if you just mute the audio, the little icon will change. So everything is like implemented. So I'll show you if you get like shield or something. I'll just set that to 100. I've got that working. So all that works. I think it's pretty polished for like where it is right now. I mean, obviously it's not done by no means, but like it's in a good place. And I'm also probably going to buy this $30 asset for lighting just to make it easier, because I don't feel like setting up all that shit myself. But yeah, the pathfinding and all that literally took me 5 minutes. Like, I bought this $30 pathfinding thing, this asset. I think it's called like Navigation 2D right there. You could see it. It's on the asset store. I was reading a review and someone was like, yeah, this literally took me like 5 minutes to implement, and I was like, you're full of shit, until I bought it and used it, and I was like, oh, they literally weren't lying. So yeah, that didn't take me very long. So all of that's working. And how you use that is it's kind of cool. You just go you go to window and you just add the nav 2D and then you select like the agent radius. So for me, I just did like the baseline like character radius for the enemies, which is like 12.5. Oh, actually, I think I did the maximum enemy radius for this level, or for that stage, which is my 16, something like that. I don't remember. Anyway, yeah, and then you just hit bake, and it'll bake everything that's not. It'll bake all the static objects that you have. All you have to do is go to like your inspector, and let's say I want the earth to be static, and it will pathfind around it. I just click static, and then I bake it, and it will do the map itself, and it's super simple to set up. But anyway, yeah, super happy with it so far. I think it's I think we're going to be making a lot of progress. I'll make a post on Game Jolt, which will be the Game Jolt page will be in the link below in the description. But I'll probably make a Game Jolt post of like a mock-up. I'll draw up the design that I'm going for the upgrade menu. I'll probably separate it between like just general upgrades for like the shield and all that, and then it'll go on to like, I'm not sure if I want to break up the ship upgrades into like each individual ship and just have them save or whatnot, because I feel like that would make the game too easy. So I don't know, I have a lot of thinking to do on that part, but I'm probably going to break it up between like general upgrades and then individual weapon upgrades. When you buy weapons and shit like that, you can upgrade each individual one, because some of them will have like special abilities and stuff that you can rank up that will be good in certain situations. But yeah, like I said, I have a lot of thinking, because I'd like to get out the demo by this summer, at the very latest August, which is still summer, but you know, that's the latest that I would like it out. But because I'd like to finish the game this year if possible, because well, we're coming up on I think it was like 5 years next year in January, because I started working on this game in 2018 in January. That's when I got like the first well, not really build, but like the first work done on it. So I'd like to release it then, and so upgrades that I want to do to like Homeworld Takedown Classic is I want to get it up to date with version 2, the old version 2 build, which I added in like some lighting, or fake lighting, but like it looked nice. And I'd also it added in shadows, stuff like that, to just make the game look nicer. It looked very nice on that build, so I can't wait to fully implement all of that. Also, it will just have a round of balance changes probably, because I'm going to redo the boss, because the boss right now is kind of shitty. It will also have a save exporter, so and probably an importer too, so you can transfer between like browser and shit like that. But if you export and port it over and your save over to this game, to this version, it will give you a special ship. It's just cosmetic, but like it's just something to say thank you for playing the original. Yeah, you will be able to do that. I've actually already have it made. There's probably a post somewhere on GameJolt, but I'm not sure off the top of my head. But I've been working on a lot of cool concept ships. I'm sure you all have seen if you come from the GameJolt page. But yeah, they're all on there. I like them. I have some cool ideas for some of them. I'm not sure if they're going to be enemies or just overall rewards. I have some cool ideas for boss fights, for like events, stuff like that. I have like this whole entire campaign thought of, or like the start of a campaign thought out for Halloween. And then of course we have the St. Patrick's Day boss fight that I need to re-implement and do some reworking because that one was kind of shit. But yeah, I think the progress on the game is going by pretty fast. Like, I'm getting a lot of work done on it, and overall I'm pretty excited to work on the game. Been working on it on my free time. Been working a lot recently, and I was going to get this all done and out yesterday, but or no, my last day off, which I think was Tuesday, by the time this is uploaded, and the power went off, so that was a thing that happened. That was super annoying, because I literally, an hour after I got up at like 6, which is way too late, but I said I was going to sleep in, so I did sleep in, just a little too long. And then the power went off, and I was like, oh, I was literally about ready to do something. I was about ready to start working, and, you know, I couldn't, because it didn't come back on until like 2 in the morning, so, yeah, that sucked, but, it all worked out. Some of the stuff I'm working on next, of course, the stuff I already talked about, to get it like fully polished and everything. And then I'm going to work on, I'm not going to work on the upgrade menu yet. I'm probably going to work on adding in all of the stages. That way I just have them there. And I'm going to work on adding in the rest of the enemies. Balance changes are going to be like the last thing I work on. I'm probably going to work on the framework for the upgrades, stuff like that. I also need to add in the shield with the, I think the shield button is going to be shift, and if you hold that down it will give you damage reduction, which I'm not really sure exactly how that's gonna work yet, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to share too much about some of the stuff that I'm adding, but yeah, thank you guys for staying on this journey, keeping with me and all that. I'm kind of tired. I haven't really done a video where I just talk in a long time. Normally having my friend with me, but yeah, he doesn't really stay with me for the devlog. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. It's 20 minutes of me just rambling. So yeah, see you guys.